With the plus and minus buttons you can change the metronome tempo, and you can even do long presses on these buttons and the tempo will change more quickly. Then you can tap this box that is showing the numbers of the tempo like this, and you can set the tempo with numbers like this. And one way to set the tempo is to tap the tempo, and you can tap the tempo on this empty area of the screen like this. And one way to set the tempo is to use tempo programming. So let's take one of the demo sequences that exist in Barbara and let's modify that a little bit. So there is this demo sequence here called tempo change demo. So I press the select button and I can then load it into the metronome. But I can also modify these sequences, so I will edit this a little bit. So let's modify the initial tempo a little bit like this. I will set the new tempo like this, and I will also modify this other tempo here a little bit. Let's put there 180, so this video will be not so very long. So now I have modified the tempo in two places, and as you can see, you can set the tempo in the middle of a sequence, and you can also use this T plus and T minus buttons to increase the tempo or decrease the tempo. So let's see how this works. So the final tempo is now 160, and it's very important to understand this, that when there is a tempo programmed in a sequence, that tempo from the sequence will then override this tempo that is chosen with these, for instance, with these buttons here, and that tempo remains there. Thank you for watching this video.